Welcome, my friends. This is Rozani. Thank you for being here with me today as we work towards completing this papier mâché little raven ornament. So let's see where we are. Okay, we're going to need to cover it completely on both sides with paper dipped in the liquid starch, and that's what I'm doing here with some pieces of tissue paper. And that is going to hold it together, of course, and it goes over as many areas as you can. You can use whatever type of paper works best for you. Right now, I'm using up as much of my tissue paper as I can, and it's easy for me to work with on these little projects. Now here, I'm adding contour to the wing. I added a little extension piece there that I just bent over to round it out a little bit. I had done the same thing on the separate wing. Now, these wings are just the basics. Later on, I will be adding more detail. But I want to give them enough strength to start with and fill them in as much as possible. And of course, covering them with the paper strips dipped in the liquid starch. There has to be mass, and so I've used the tissue paper to add bulk to it. We want the raven to look nice and full. You can use tissue or a napkin, and that's what these are. I'm starting with the tissue paper. I continue to use the liquid starch with the tissue paper application. And it's going to take a while because it has to dry in between applications. I hope this will give you an idea on what you can do to add black without using paint, if you have the paper to do so. So as you see, he has begun to take shape. But for now, I will need to set him aside to dry for a little bit longer. Up until now, you've seen how I've made the wings. Now, these are just starting out. The finished wings will be larger and detailed. Soon this little raven will come together as a whole. There will be another video to show how I've completed this little piece. I appreciate you being with me this far, and I hope to see you next time.